this is the hair after I installed it as a Pronto. I do have a leave out, and the lengths are 18, 20, and 22. It came with a closure, but I didn't use the closure. Like I said, I do have leave out. I think I'm going to try to curl this hair. I did flat iron it, and it is pretty straight, so I think I'm just going to keep it like this. There, it's Outre's Premium Purple Pack. I do not have the card anymore, but I did record what the pack looks like. Altogether, you'll probably spend about $75, $80. The hair at my local beauty supply store was $60, and everything else I bought as far as like the freeze spray, the Got2b glue, the cap, the glue, and I bought a bottle of black hair dye because my real hair was not black at the time. It was like brown and blonde from a previous color that I did. So with all of that, with the pack of hair, it's gonna come up to about $80. The hair was not $80. The hair was $60. But you could probably find it cheaper somewhere else. It is a synthetic fiber, but it's a human hair synthetic fiber type. I don't know, but it's not real bundles, but it will do for right now. And so yeah, so like I said, the hair is soft, it's straight, it's black. They had a variety of colors. I wanted black hair. If I'm doing synthetic hair 9 times out of 10, it will be. Get into the hair. This is what the pack looks like. I got the inches 18, 20, and 22 in jet black. I did not use the closure. This is Outre's Purple Pack. This is 100% human hair premium blend fibers. Other items that you will need for this install will consist of a hair protectant that you will put on your cap. You will also need hair bonding glue. I am using a stocking wig cap and hair foam to lay my hair down and also to lay my leave out. You will also need scissors, a comb, and a toothbrush. I will also be using the Got2b blasting freeze spray and the gel. You will also need a blow dryer and a flat iron. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. It is freshly washed. Now that we are all dry, you just want to go ahead and section where you want your part. I will be doing a middle part. Here, I'm just combing out my edges, and I'm going to go ahead and section off a middle part. Make sure you make it as straight as possible. Now that we have our part, here's where I'm going to take the mousse and I'm going to mold the rest of my hair down to get ready to put the cap on.
No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Kind of shade. Say my name. Call me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say my name.
Now I will be taking the hair protectant and I will be spreading it on my cap.
Better say my name. Other day I will call, you would say.
Here I will be taking a blasting freeze spray and I will be spraying my cap as well, and then I will proceed to blow dry.
Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say I am.
that we are ready to install, here's what the pack looks like again. Here's a card that comes on the bundles that's just giving you tips and tricks on how to work with the hair. Here's what the bundle looks like. This is the 22-inch bundle. I will unravel it and then I will measure going from the top of where my part starts all the way to the other side, and then I will cut it and proceed to glue it down. On the track and it has been measured, I will proceed to lay the track going from ear to ear.
Nobody's holding you back from me. When you're saying everything to me times two. If somebody's there, then tell me who. No one is around you. Call me on. And tell me what you like to do. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you.
I'm gonna go in my bathroom and do this, and I'm not about to set all this stuff up in my bathroom. So I'm just gonna keep going around with the bundles, and then once I get to the top to cut my cap, I'll be back. So we finally got all the hair laid. This is what I have left of the 18-inch bundle. So it wasn't a lot of hair in that bundle. It was not a lot of hair. This is what it looks like. I did cut my cap around the edges and up here. It's pretty flat. Now that it's time to do the leave out, I'm just gonna go ahead and center my part, and then I will begin to take each side and make smaller sections. I will flat iron it, I will measure a track, and I will go ahead and lay it.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. I love you. Say my name, say my name. You're kinda shady, calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Running game. No, say my name. You
a few hours after I finished the install. I just wanted to show you guys how flat it was and what it looked like after I did the leave out.
Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Something changed. Say my name. If ain't nothing changed.
I wanted to go ahead and cut some layers in the front. It didn't really do much, so I didn't really go that hard in with cutting layers. Watching, and I hope someone found this video helpful. Thank you so much.